everybody here on all of the channels on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. TikTok has been live for a while now while I was trying to set everything up. Welcome to a live stream of Titanify. My name is Stefan Vreese. I'm the founder of Titanify, and we optimize business processes using Microsoft 365, using Dynamics 365, using AI as well, especially Copilot. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing for businesses, and that's what I'm going to show you today as well during these lives. If you're viewing this, if you're viewing the recording, I will be sharing my screen, and I will just go through everything that I do to build processes, to build automated business processes, streamlined business processes that you can use using your Microsoft 365 account, using Dynamics 365 as well. Those two platforms, I mean, they're in the same ecosystem, so it makes a lot of sense that we use both of them. So if you have any questions about what we're doing today, put it in chat. I will try to keep up with the chat on Restream, which means all the platforms, LinkedIn, YouTube, and so on, and on TikTok at the same time. It's a challenge. It's always a challenge to do that, but we have our setup. There we go. Here we are back on TikTok. But we have our setup right here, and let me pop out the chat. Wait. So we're going to pop out the chat of TikTok. I'm going to close this one of TikTok. There we go. So now I see anything from Restream and from TikTok at the same time. But let me check here. What I want to do... Wait. Okay, this one, no. How do I pop out the chat of Restream? Anybody? That would be useful. No? Let's see. No, I cannot do that. That's stupid. Team. Hey, Restream, if you're watching this, allow me to pop out the chat, because OBS is being stupid and I cannot open it there neither. So I'll just do this. So if you're joining, thank you, whoever sent a rose, thank you so much for sending a rose. I cannot pronounce your name because I have no idea what that sign means or what kind of language that is, but thank you so much for the rose on TikTok. Stick around, and yeah, maybe you'll learn a thing or two about Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365. And if I do, I know I have to go back to OBS to switch. See, this is so annoying. Because now I have to go back to OBS, and then I have to do a transition. What? No. Okay, then I can do this. Then you can see my screen. Now I have to go back here so I can actually see also the chat from Restream. Okay, this is fine, I guess, right now. It's the best that I can do. Sorry. But yeah, at least now we're live, we're streaming. I can show you my computer. There we go. So what I was actually doing, we actually enrolled into the partner program from Microsoft. So, and I already did that. This one, yeah, we already did that. I don't know why it's asking me again. So this is the partner center. Yeah. I will log in, but they should recognize that I'm already a partner here right now. So yeah, we're live here. If you want to see what it looks like, this is what it looks like. Hold on, I'll show you. And basically people are passing by while I'm doing this. You're currently signed in. Thank you so much. So people are passing by right there. You can see the open door right there. This door will always be open. As long as somebody is here in this podcast studio, the doors will be open. So if you're from the neighborhood, right? If you are from Dock North, or the neighborhood if you're from Ghent in Belgium and you live or work close by Dock Nord and you are an entrepreneur. I only want people here that are entrepreneurs, right? Because this is a business salon. This is for this. No, how do you say that? It's by entrepreneurs, for entrepreneurs, or it's for entrepreneurs by entrepreneurs, business owners, basically. So I am an active. So I am an active right now. I'm an active Microsoft AI Cloud partner. I am enrolled in it. So, and then I have to go back. I need to be able to use the mouse on two computers. I know there is software for that, but that would be so useful. I can do this and just switch to another one. I think it should work. Oh no, I just turned it off. Oopsie, no, I can do this. Now I'm on the other computer. Just to do the transition, it's stupid. But okay, I go back here. So you can see I am enrolled in the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. And that's cool. Because then I can do a lot of extra things. I hope that's... it's been a while since I've revisited this space right here. So I have my membership, because I know it has been activated. You had to jump to a lot of hoops if you want to do this. And I had to prove who I was and yada yada yada, but I did all of that. Yeah. And now I need to figure out, the whole reason that I wanted to do this is, well, that I can say I'm a Microsoft partner. And also that I can create my own demo environments. So where do I find that? Build, publish, success, Surface Center. Solution partners, business applications, modern work. Oh, I need to do this. So what do I have actually with this? What do I have, chat? I have no idea. I didn't check this that much. I get some benefits. Activate benefits. Let's see. One marketing contact from your you must have to you may have to know. So I have already that. Digital marketing content on demand. That's available. So I have marketing content. That's good. Product benefits. Cloud services, software, developer tools. Let's see. Cloud services. I don't have any benefits. Well, why not? How to activate Azure credits. Nothing. Software, nothing. Well, I don't have that much. I guess I get a discount or something like that. Maybe. Microvault uit. Echt? Well, I'm not touching anything, so I'm not sure why it would drop out. And it's dropping out through TikTok then. We horen je niet. Hold on. Why not? Why not? Test 1, 2, 3. Let's see. So I am using as an input. Wait. Primary microphone is the Blackmagic design. So it should work. Like I see the bars moving, right? I see this stuff. I'm not sure why it would not work. Wait. I have too many screens. I need another screen here. Okay. So why would it not work? If I do like this, Ah, it's you. It is you. It is not me. Okay, okay. We're fine. We're fine. Uh, so I was saying that we have. Come on, computer. So I was saying that we have some benefits, hopefully, with Microsoft. I'm just trying to figure out which ones. So if you have any comments, if you're watching on YouTube, LinkedIn, or any of the other platforms, don't be shy. Say hi and let me know what you're up to. If you have a business, like I said, if you have a business in the neighborhood of Dock Noord, Ghent, Belgium, don't be shy. Stop by and we can have a talk here. You can come here and get in front of the microphone and we have a chat. Okay, I have no idea what to do here. There's too many options. Let me think. I know there is. What's it called? I don't remember. Wait, I have to switch because I'm gonna go do something that you cannot see. It is not for your eyes. Okay. And I'm gonna go here. So I'll just go to an environment, a demo environment from another client. So I'm not going to show you that. It's CDX, yeah. So you have something that is called CDX from Microsoft. And it's like demo environments, right? So it's a demo environment for Microsoft 365. You can only get that if you're a partner. Now, I'm not sure if you can get it if you're already... Too many options, ask Copilot, yeah. Well, on the partner platform, there is no Copilot yet. So let's see. You know what? Okay, hold on, wait. I'll show you. Okay, not this one. You cannot see this one, sorry. Let's ask Copilot, sure. How do I get the CDX opportunity? This is how I use Copilot in Bing. So I'm using Bing. I'm not using Google search anymore or the Google search platform because I can use Copilot in the search engine. And I think that's really useful because I can search. So how do I get the CDX opportunity as new Microsoft partner, right? You get the generic results, but what is cool here, as you can see, I think you can see CDX almost, I guess. You can see there's an option Copilot. And if I click on Copilot, you get Copilot actually in the browser, in your search, and you get this. So actually, I shouldn't be I shouldn't be searching too much. I should just ask Copilot. So here we go. So to access the customer digital experiences, sign up as Microsoft partner. I did access CDX. Once you're a registered partner, you can access CDX to blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's do that. I don't like to read, so I'm not reading. You can read. I have to make sure, look, I'm standing almost out of frame here. I have to make sure that I stay here, or I have to move the camera. But if I'm watching this one, I think it's like this. Anyway, so I'm on the CDX platform. Let's see if I can. I am logged in. I am not authorized. So I am associated to a Microsoft partner organization. We looked, but we couldn't find your login associated to a Microsoft partner organization. But dear Microsoft, I am a partner. Well, I don't know in what degree, of course, like that might be the issue. Because I am enrolled in one program. So you can see membership. Hallo, ja. Ja, wacht hoor. Ik ga even dit doen en dan doe ik dit. Voilà. Ja, we hebben ondertussen een deel afgesloten, maar nog niet helemaal. Want die dingen zijn vastgemaakt met een machine of zo. We gaan gewoon waar water afgesloten is. Dank u wel. That happens. That happens when you're live. All right. Where was I? You can see people are just walking in because the doors are open, and that's fine. Okay. Um, so I'm kind of a partner. I am enrolled into the AI whatever program. How do I see this? So membership status, but it doesn't show any membership status. So my payment account details. Let's go to account details because that could be the issue as well. Let's see. Now the reason that I want to use CDX is because I mean I can build some stuff and I can show some stuff, but that stuff is on our environment and that contains customer information, so that's really not the best place to be. So let's see if I have enough here now. Check, 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 check. So if you have any questions about what I'm doing, feel free to ask. Look, I'll show you. Hold on. So, yeah. I need this mouse to work on both computers because this is too annoying to be able to have to do this. So as you can see, I have Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. I guess that does not mean that I'm a partner. I'm enrolled in this program, that's for sure. So I have the programs. I haven't really gotten the time to look into detail what we can do with it. Stay in the frame, stay in the frame. Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. Accepted agreements. Okay. So identifier, standard account, merge, company profile. So I am enrolled into something here. But don't ask me what I do with this. Tenants. Maybe I have to connect my tenant to this agreement or something like that. Current tenant associations. Global admins can associate tenants with this Partner Center account or remove them. Removing a tenant removes all associated users and their account permissions from your Partner Center account. That's the problem, I guess. So I'll click this one and then sign in with the global administrator credentials of the other tenant you wish to associate. We'll have access to the process. Yeah, this is it. Only users in the Cloud Solutions Provider Program tenant have access to CSP. But maybe is this is already registered then? Or do I have to do this? Partner Center. Confirm new Microsoft Entra ID association with Titanify.be. Yeah, I want to do that. There we go. Okay, but I hope now that that that's the case, that it will also recognize that I am part of a partner. Not authorized, still not. CDX dot transform. Wait, have to switch again. Too many computers. Okay. cdx.transform.microsoft.com. Okay. So if we do that, not authorized, still not. Come on. There's for these changes to take effect, sign in again with your. For these changes to take effect, sign in again with your Microsoft Entra ID credentials. Okay. I guess I need to log out. So let's do that. Yeah. Anyway, that's good. We're getting closer. We're getting closer to the moment that we're going to use CDX instead of my own environment. So I can show you all of the features of Microsoft and Dynamics with already predefined content and users and all of that. Now, these environments usually are only eligible, are only active for 90 days, more than enough to produce a ton of content. So let's see if I can do that. So I'll log out here, sign out, and I'll log in again. Maybe I'll just sign out. Okay, yeah. I'll close the browser completely, move this one as well, and I'll restart. So let's do this. Okay. And then we go to back to, so I'm gonna log in into my account again. There we go. Yes. Authenticator shit. Approve sign in, yes please. Very good. Stay signed in, yeah. And then we go back to the partner first, partner portal, sign in there. Maybe it takes a while before all these roles, these new roles are applied to the user. Is this the one? Okay, I guess so, yeah. So, partner center. Okay. Sounds good. And I hope I don't need to activate another benefit or whatever to use the CDX. And I hope also that I don't need to be like a gold partner or silver Microsoft partner to be able to use CDX, because that would be stupid. They should just give it to me. Let's see what happens. Not authorized. Still not. Join the Microsoft Cloud Partner Program today. I mean, that's what I did. Partner. Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. I am part of that already. That's what it says as like, join the Microsoft Cloud Partner Program today. That's what they say. I am already in there. Log in again. Weird. So, okay. You know what? Let's not waste too much more time with this, because if I can't get in, I'll just have to use my own environment again, which I don't really want to do. Okay, let's register for that one as well then. Because I joined the AI Cloud Partner Program, I also want to join the Microsoft 365 and Copilot program. You can enroll in commercial marketplace or by ad publisher and select publisher account. Commercial marketplace, register publish plugins. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't need that. What else is missing then? They talked about also the user accounts. So let's check that. Hey Robin, welcome to the stream. Do you want to see my new podcast studio? This is it. This is the new podcast studio. What do you think? Honestly, what do you think? You can see the door is open, so everybody can just enter this podcast studio even while we're live, and that's the point. Even while we're live streaming, people can just join me at this table right here. They can pick up a microphone and start talking to me and just ask questions, or just talk about business topics. So if you would be here, Robin, we would have a big old chat, I would say. That's what we would be doing here. But right now, I'm actually just figuring out how to use demo tenants from Microsoft. So to show some cool stuff that I can do with this. Let me just check one more thing, dear people. If that's not working, I'm getting out of here and I'm just going to do it on our tenant. Because I'm a global admin, so I wouldn't even know why I would have to add myself to another role, because I don't need to do that. User experience success manager, user administrator, service support, help desk administrator. You can't edit your own settings. You can edit your alternate say your Microsoft Entra. Okay, user global administrator. Yeah, I am a global administrator. Weird. Microsoft 365 activations. What is that? Oh no, that's devices. Gain access to no-cost benefit actionable content, curate events, and developer community. Build and publish. App sales. Surface reseller. Solution partners, specializations, business applications. Microsoft low-code application development. Current status, in progress. You need to achieve the qualification requirements to get enrolled. Eligible. Current status. Your company must have active solution partners designation in one of two solution areas. Monthly active users at least across your. Oh my god. Modern work. What about that one? Modern work. Solutions partner designation. What? These requirements to get like a specialization is crazy. You need 10,000 monthly active usage growth with SharePoint Teams or Viva Engage in a trailing 12-month period. 10,000. I mean, what about the small ones? What about me? What if you just want to build automations and so on just for a couple of customers at a time? I'm not really interested in reselling licenses. I don't want to do that. Does that exclude me from all of this? Okay. Enough of this. Let's switch back. Let's switch back. Cut here. There we go. Welcome everybody to the stream. If you're following along, I'm just tinkering around on my computer here while trying to set up some cool stuff on Dynamics 365 and Microsoft 365. And one of the things that I need to work on actually is moving everything that I do in terms of CRM into Dynamics 365. Dynamics 365 for sales especially, because that's a great tool that you can use for your own CRM and even for your invoices and for your quotes and all of that. It can become pretty complicated, but you can start using it from the get-go. Once you have the license, you can install it, and it's pretty cool actually. I mean, I cannot lie. So how does it look like? If I can do this one, there we go. So this is Dynamics 365 for sales. This is the Sales Hub. This is this is the Power App. It's a Power App that you get for free. Not really for free, because it's basically part of your license. But once you get the license, you get the Sales Hub, and the Sales Hub is basically a Power App that has been built by Microsoft, and you can get a lot of these kind of default business processes. And you know, these business processes are pretty powerful because you can build your own business processes, and there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with that. So if you go to the Power platform, so you go to make.powerautomate.com or make.powerapps.com, you go into the Power platform, and there you can build these kind of business processes. So let's go here. You have to go into your environment. I have been tinkering around a lot with environments. So if you are in Power Platform, on the right, on the top in the banner here, you can see environments, and you can switch between environments. You can actually create your own environments as much as you want, and you can create environments based on any kind of region. Now there is something that is not. There is an issue with that, because I had an issue with building or creating environments for the Europe region, and then you don't get all of the AI features for some reason. So I had to create environments in the UK region to make sure that I get everything. I don't know why, but that's just the point. That's just the case. So here, so if you go to your environments, right? Where am I here? Solutions. Yeah, okay. You have your environment, then you have your solutions. Okay, so I have this one, this solution that I created to customize the Dynamics 365 for sales. And then here you have your processes, right? These ones. And then you can create your own business process if you want to. So here you process, you can create a new business process flow. So I had already the lead to opportunity sales process. That's out of the box. You can see the owner is system, so it's out of the box. And I created the lead to partner process. This is coming from Robin Waite, my business coach. He's a great guy. If you don't know who Robin Waite is, you should definitely check him out. Check out his program. It is absolutely top. If you want to build your Yeah, and that's what you get as well. If if you are in Dock North, and if you open up your doors wide open, then you get also all of the noise from outside. But that's just that's just what it is. So you get all of these business processes right here, and I built my own. So you can see all the stages. So it starts with new partner leads. So if I identify somebody that is a potential partner for what I do, then I put them into the system as a new lead, as a new partner lead. That's the first stage. Then I go to the next stage. It's then if you are connected through LinkedIn, for example, you can move to the next stage. Then showed up, then added value, insider access, and then silver platter. Now this process comes from Robin Wade, as I said. So if you want to know more details about that process, what it all means, just go to robinwade.com and ask him. you know, he has videos about this as well on his YouTube channel, so you can definitely check that out. I'm all about implementing that business process. So anybody that has a great business process, I will try to implement it in my business or in my customers' businesses to help them out as well. Now, why do I show this? Because I think not a lot of people know about this. Not a lot of people know that you can actually build your own business processes inside Dynamics 365. Actually, I'm wrong. You can build this inside Power Platform, inside the Power Platform. Because you don't even need Dynamics 365 license to build this. And you can build your own Power App that contains this process. And why is this useful? It's useful because you can show your employees what is the current process, what is the business process for whatever, you know. You can use your imagination what kind of business processes you can build with this, right? So I think it's really cool. It's really cool. So hey, everybody coming to the live stream on TikTok, happy to have you here. Just gonna check if I'm not gonna get kicked out by TikTok, because that sometimes happens. Especially like if you're using the live studio from TikTok itself, and you don't use the live studio because you're streaming, then they will kick you out. Imagine that. So I'm gonna go back here. Okay. So this is what I have built, and if you are using this in your Sales Hub, then basically you can go, for instance, you can go to your leads, and then from your leads you can go and assign somebody to that specific process. So you can see this lead, this person, has been assigned to this process. And you can switch processes right here. You can only switch if you've already registered these processes or you have built these processes. But this is really cool because then you can really, you can help yourself as well. You can help yourself in your sales process, in all of your processes, so you know exactly what is the current stage of this process that this person is in. And I'm talking about persons, but within the Power Platform, it's all about entities. You can assign business processes to an entity, and an entity can be a lead, can be an invoice, can be a lot of things, you know. So that is that you can do this with documents, or like the entity is an invoice, and then you can build a business process around that. So it's pretty powerful shit, but a lot of people don't know about it. A lot of people know about Power Automate, but this ties, you can link those two together. So you can build this business process that activates a Power Automate, right? So you can mix and match. So can become very, 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 very powerful. I'm thirsty. All right. So One thing I want to explore as well is how far you can bring these ones. So these are people in my open leads list. I mean, I haven't done that much with it yet, so it's okay. You can see here some custom fields. So this custom field is coming from Scorecard, which is like a quiz platform. You can build your own quiz. You can let people do your quiz, and then it will generate a specific number, right? So that specific number comes into this one, and then you can display that in here. Now, what I want to do actually is I want to see if I can add some colors, like visualize this view. But visualize this view in Power BI, I want to visualize it right here inside the Power Platform, right? Inside the Sales Hub. So let's see. I can edit columns. I can move columns. Okay, that's good. I can add columns. And these are all the columns, and you can't really see this on TikTok. Wait, I'll just move it here. You can see this if I add a new, if I want to add a new one. God damn it. Okay. If you want to add a new column, you get the option to basically add anything that has been added as default into the table, or anything that you added as a custom field, like I did with the score card. Let's see if I can find this back. So here, wait, where is it? No, I already added, so I guess that's why it's not in here. Yeah, anyway, you can add a lot of these kind of fields, and if it's a custom field, you can add it as well. You can add related fields. Related fields are the ones that are connected to other tables, like customer. You can then show, so if this is a lead that is connected to a customer, which can happen, or it's connected to, I don't know, owning team, owning user, segment. If it's connected to a segment, you can show the segment description. I think I can do that. Wait. Because I have created my own view already, which is like the My Dream 100 partner leads. And this is based on industry. Wait, so I go in here. So I added some extra details here, and one of them was industry. And here in the industry, I added a specific option, which is B2B SaaS. So this view is based on that. That's a filter. What if we add, but they're also in a segment. So if I add them to a segment, no. First, if what I do here is if I select B2B SaaS, then I add them automatically to they are automatically added to a segment. So what I could do here is I could add a related column that shows the segment. You know, why not? So I can add the description like this, apply, and there you go. Now, just to show you on TikTok as well. So you can see here description of the segment, which is Dream 100 B2B SaaS partners. That is the segment. Cool, okay. What else can I do? I can edit the filters. And I guess this is the filters based on the view. As you can see here, I want to be the owner, so I have to be the owner of these leads. The status should be open leads, and the segment ID equals this segment right there. Cool. So I guess we cannot really add colors to this. Therefore, we need to use Power BI. Let's see what it does. Let's just click on this. You never know. Visualize this. What kind of visualization can we do with this? Oh, well. The current Power BI session can no longer be used to communicate. You must close and reopen your browser to start a new session. I don't want to do that. It looks interesting, you know. Sign up. I'm hoping we don't need an extra license for this, because I'm already an E3 license plus the Dynamics 365 for sales license. That's what I already have. But who knows? And this is taking so long. Refresh. No. This is bringing me to the Power BI platform. Not sure why it's taking that long. Let's move on. So we have the view here, so we cannot really work with colors. I don't like that because one of our customers has already a CRM, or like they are using still an Excel sheet, and that Excel sheet has color coding. So it's very easy, very simple to see which customers are in, or which leads, or which customers, whatever, are in which stage of the sales cycle. So I would want to see that, not one by one. I want to see like my pipeline. You have, wait, go back. Go back. So if I change this to this overview, so I want to see, okay, so this is a focused view where you can see one by one by one. You can order, you can filter, visualize again. I'm not sure if this is actually going to help that much. So we can go back to the read-only one. This is the one. So basically we're stuck with two views, which is the read-only one and the focused view. And if you think about it, fine to a certain extent, but I would want to see more. I want to see a pipeline. Like really a Kanban board. And this could be it, but so the opportunities, okay. So this is a pipeline, sales funnel. Combo. Let's see what Copilot says. I'm just wondering because most of the CRM tools that I've been using before had these kind of Kanban visualizations, which makes it pretty easy to follow along with with your pipeline. You can see here. Wait, what if I select this one? This one. Dashboards. Well, maybe that's the thing that I need. New Power BI. Sales activity, sales dashboard. Yes, something like this. But then for each stage. So you could make a view per stage. Not convinced yet. Okay, there must be a solution, chat? Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out together. There must be a solution here. So what do we do if we want to if we want to know more? We basically go to Copilot. That's what we do. I want to know if there's like a Kanban version of, or maybe we can build it. Maybe we can build it. So Dynamics 365. If it does not have a Kanban board thingy, I would be a little bit disappointed. For sales, how to create Kanban board. Copilot. So let's ask Copilot. What does it say? Creating a Kanban board in Dynamics for sales can help you visualize and manage your opportunities and activities more effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide. So you go to your settings, advanced settings, customizations, yada yada yada. Select choose Kanban, then select add. Add the Kanban control. Under components, expand it. To make a Kanban view the default, select the radio button for a Kanban control. So I guess I'm not going, or I'm missing this. There should be something like this here, and I'm missing it. So you have to go to the entity. So navigate to customizations, customize the system, under components, expand it and entities. Okay. Wait, here, advanced settings, and then customizations, customize the system. This goes to basically to the Power Platform again. And then I have to go to my solution, I have to go to the entity. Fine, fine, fine. So it is a customization, I guess. Seems like it. So then I have my entities, objects, customizations, under components, expand entities. Components, tables. I did that. Customize the system brings me to. Wait, so it brings me, customize the system brings me to the Power Platform right here. And you say you have to go to components. Where do you see components? Nowhere. I go to solutions. I go to, let's say, lead. That is an entity. Select either opportunity or activity. Add a Kanban control. Go to controls tab. Columns, forms, views, commands, dashboards. No. No. What do you mean? Kanban board for Dynamics 3 CE, no. Card-based Kanban view for Dynamics 365, and yeah, let's do that one. Let's check it out, you know, that's what we do. We figured it out. Where is my music? Where is my music? My music is gone. Hey Tom, welcome back. I hope I'm not boring you too much with all of this stuff. I'm trying to build a Kanban board for my CRM in Dynamics 365. I would imagine that would be something very straightforward. Yeah, this is what I want. Where do I get this? Wait, then there is already a view? So I'm just missing it, right? Weird. Leads being followed, close leads. But these are all lists. List views. Manage and share views. I probably just need to create a new view that is a Kanban view. All these da 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 da. So if I okay, then wait. I can go to views here, new view, Kanban tests. No. So I can add, yeah, but this not, no, that's not it. No. About Kanban board, productivity control for Dataverse, Power Apps, Dynamics 365, easy categorization, perform quick actions, sort of configuration, yeah, this one. Yeah. As a what? Whoa. I don't have that. That was really fast. I mean, and I'm even used to doing this. Maybe it's somewhere here. App settings. Sales usage. No. Duplication. No. Nope. Not in here. I mean, their documentation is not on point. I mean, if you say in your 365 app, select settings icon, advanced settings, customize the system, components, entities. It might be this one. Wait, I can do this. This can bring me to the settings of the app because it's the sales hub, and here I can open an app designer. This is a Canvas app. So this is like Microsoft has built this app into Power Automate. Maybe it's somewhere in there. Let's check. So you can see I can basically change everything on this thing. I can change everything. Settings. Features. So inside the app designer, you have settings to set the settings to set the settings. Native. Navigation, upcoming. Enable smart email. Copilot control. Interact with your app and analyze your data. Yeah, of course, it's on. It's on, don't worry. No, this is not the place neither. So let's get out of here. Okay, let's try to find this, because I really want to get that Kanban shit. So go to advanced settings. Well, it's not the same, as you can see here, customization. So I'm pretty, I'm
The newly added Kanban board in the list.
it's a default solution, yeah, but that's, okay. Wait,
If you would like this to be the default
shut
visualization
up.
for
Wait, so you go to the Power Apps, you can see it's the Power Apps here, components. Solution, default solution, components. They just go to the entity, yeah? And then they go to controls. I have no idea where you can find that. I don't know. Should be straightforward, no? Customizations here. System. Processes. They've been moving around this thing a lot, I guess. And now you try to find all of this thing. Microsoft solutions, customizations. Okay, customizations. Customize the system. Well, yeah, this just brings me to Power Apps. And then you would go to controls or something like that. You have to be in a solution first. So here, wait. Here. No, I don't need this. Leave. So if I'm in the solution, then I have the objects, and some of them are like lead. But these are tables. So I guess I need something else here. So let's go to the default solution, which contains everything. Do we have components here? What do you think? What do you think, Chad? What am I missing here? What do you see that I do not see? Am I missing this? Am I missing something? Copilot components. Nope. Choices, chatbot, catalog, cards. What is cards? You have the apps, components, solution components. No, me neither. I don't see it. I mean, where is this? I don't get it. You have to get to the controls. Okay, wait. Where is this? Yeah, but add Kanban control to entities. So yeah, if it's in the learn one, okay. If it's not here, then I don't know where it is. So add Kanban control to opportunity or activity entities. Okay. License. I have the license. Yes, I have that one. Add Kanban. Add the Kanban controls. Advanced settings. Yes, but I don't get this. The business management settings page opens in a new browser tab. On the navigation, select settings and then customizations. Yeah, it will. you need to open the Solution Explorer, but you need to find the Solution Explorer first, right? Yeah, here, can't find the options in your app. I do have the license. I am an administrator. I'm not using a custom app. The steps described in this article are specific to the out-of-the-box Sales Hub and Sales Professional apps. Well, dear Microsoft, it is not, because it is definitely different. So again, this advanced settings, you get into, so what do they say? Wait, let me pull this out here. No, not this one, not this one, not this one, this one. So we're in the business management. The business management settings page opens a new browser tab. Okay, on the navigation bar, select settings. Select settings. Here. Gonna be the same page, huh? Then under customization, select customizations. So under customization, select customizations. Yeah. Select customize the system. Sure. It opens up Power Apps. Nothing else. So between step number 3 and number 4, there's something happening that is not in here. Maybe it's because I have a specific app. Is that what they say? Your organization is using a custom app. Are you telling me? This cannot be, huh? Oh, it's the same, huh? Oh no, it's because it's, yeah. I installed this into the custom app, but that doesn't mean it should not be showing. Oh boy, this can get frustrating. Have you tried it on a Mac? No, I did not try this on a Mac. I never will. I'm pretty sure. I never will. Oh God, I hate this. Why does this have to be so difficult? I just want to add a Kanban board to my CRM. Why the fuck does this have to be so difficult? I don't get it. Now they have a new data experience. Yeah, show it to me. Nothing happens, eh? God. I mean, I love and I hate these kind of systems. If you change your user interface every 5 minutes, of course I cannot find it anymore. Come on, it has to be somewhere. Where is this? Where is this? Solution, the opportunity, information. Control. There is some kind of a screen that I'm not getting to, that's for sure. And I had this before, and then I was looking really at the wrong place completely. And you can see I have like already 100 tabs open just to find one thing. Eh? Let's just close the other shit because it's getting too complicated otherwise. So yeah, chat, I don't know if you have, did you did you try to turn the computer on and off again? Off and on again. Which one? I have 2 computers here. Look. Can I see this? Can you see this? No. Wait. Boom. No, you cannot. You cannot see it on TikTok anyway. But I have 2 computers. Which one do I turn off then? Which one do I turn off? Oh God. My God. So, but look at all of these settings. Look at all of these settings. You tell me, where do I need to look now? App extensions? No, it's not here. Oh boy, advanced settings. Maybe I should turn on the old look again. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. No. No, it's not this one. Power platform, solution. No, I already did that. It just gives, no, go back. No. Advanced settings. I was here. I clicked, yeah, okay. These are the settings. Then, no, there's nothing there to see. There's nothing to see there. Customization, solutions, Microsoft App Store, solutions history, publisher solutions. It has to be in here. It has to be in the solution. It has to be in the customization of the solution. There is no other place. Component library. Okay. Because we needed to go to the components, right? So let's, I don't know, component library. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's something that we need to do. Components. Okay. And there are no components here. I guess, but this should be it then. Components library. Advanced tools, settings. Inserts. Library. Okay, go back. Did I add something now? Oh no, okay, I'm adding a new one. No, add an existing one. Sorry. Component library, yeah, add the existing one. No, we don't have one. Okay. Very useful, very useful. Add existing. App, no. Automation, no. Site, table, components. So I have a component library that is empty, which is useful. I guess if I add, let's see, because they were talking about opportunities as well. Configuration. Whew. Components. Custom. Okay, I don't know. Let's go to YouTube. So I'm going to create content to build a Kanban board so I can publish that on YouTube. But before I do that, let's check YouTube to find the information. Kanban board on Dynamics 365 for sales. Boom. Somebody must have had the same stupid shit as we have here. This is 4 years ago, people. 4 years ago. 3 months ago, board transforms your work in Nogix. Are you overwhelmed? Kanban visualization in Dynamics 4 years ago. Create a Kanban view 4 years ago. This is all 4 years ago. It's time that somebody creates new content, right? 4 years ago, 4 years ago, 4 years ago. 1 month ago? In loop? Sure. 2 years ago. Okay, let's try this one. I mean, that seems the most recent one. Not sure if it's going to be something, but okay. Skip. Tell me, where do I need to look? Where am I looking wrong here? Don't give me that shit again. Look, advanced settings, but it goes to this page, this one. Settings. Customize the system. You see that it opens up a screen that I never get. And then you see the components. Oh yeah, beautiful, but I don't even get that. Activity, yeah, nice. So this is hidden somewhere in the dungeons of Dynamics 365, and they just changed the whole UI, and now gone. This does not exist. If you do exactly what this person did, you don't get the same thing. So here, they are on the Sales Hub. You can see they are in activities. They go to advanced settings, right? They come here. That's already a page. I have no idea how they get there. And in this page, so in the business management page, they go to settings, customizations. I don't like it because, and I know that I'm wasting a lot of time on this, but I really need to find this because I will not sleep if I cannot find this. Maybe you have to go back to the classic view. Yeah, but I don't want to. Okay, well, let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's go, wait. Let's go back to the Sales Hub for now. No. Go home. So let's go to activities or leads, whatever, doesn't matter. So let's turn off this. So we go to the old view, which looks pretty much the same. A little bit different, okay, a little bit different. A new color, there we go. So advanced settings. I come here. And in this page is where, and okay, I have to turn this off again. Okay. You can see Power Platform environment settings. That's where I'm at. But there is no settings. There's only this. And yeah, I do not see what this person is seeing. But mind you, this is 2 years ago. Huh? So you can see going to advanced settings from this page. I never get into this page. That's the problem. So the customizations, all is well, customize the system. This pop-up screen is just, literally doesn't exist, or I cannot get to it, even in the old look. because I go here, customizations, customize the system, it goes to Power Apps. So it never opens up the pop-up. Weird, huh? So I don't think this will do anything for now. I don't know. I give up. I don't know. I don't like this. And it's actually, you know why I'm spending so much time on it? Because it's crucial. Because if you're coming from a system that has a Kanban board to display your pipeline and you don't have it anymore, like it's a step backward. Even if you have all of the other features, it's a step backward. And I don't want to get anybody that is coming from a nice UI to something like this that doesn't even have the basic stuff. No. No thanks. So yeah, I don't know what to do actually. What if we go to activities? Because they were talking a lot about activities to show that into a Kanban board. And you have settings on this side, you have settings on this side. I mean, Sales Insight app settings. I already have Copilot, so I don't need to worry about that. Lead plus opportunity, qualification. They moved it somewhere, but you know. Did it work in Classic View? No, it did not. No, because if you go to Classic View, you never get the screen. You never get this kind of pop-up. So here, you can see that I click on advanced settings. They get in here. I don't get that. They open up the settings and they go to customizations, customize the system. And all of these options are available because if you go to advanced settings, you can go to customizations here. You have customized the system, which points to Power Automate. That's it, that's all. Solutions, it all points back to the same environment, which is this one. Which would be okay if then here, I mean, you have cards here, you can add cards. These are adaptive cards, I think. So you have cards here, but this doesn't do anything. And there's nothing else. So components and the stuff like that, it's not in here. It's just not in here. So I don't know. I can switch to classic here, but again, no, I don't want to do that. I will figure this out. I will just log a support request, I guess. Because look, this control calendar control, read-only grid. What you see here, read-only grid, is like a control, but this is inside the app itself. Inside the app of the entity. So if I would go to in the view of the entity, that's where it's at. Because if I go here to my entity, we have, let's say, opportunities now, it doesn't matter. Or activities, okay, activities. So here we have this view, this one right here. You have these kind of controls. Because here on YouTube you see, wait, no, you see these controls right here. You see read-only grid, right? That's supposed to be a control. So if I go to leads, for example, you can see read-only grid right here. Read-only grid is a control, component, whatever. So you have focused view, read-only grid. Actually here, it should also say Kanban view. Focused view, read-only grid. So where the fuck is this? Where do we set this or add this? And this is, you can see it is connected to the entity, to the lead. So, I can go here. Let's go into the app designer again. Maybe it's there. I found some stuff in there in the past already. Like with business processes, that was a case. So here, collateral, sales, customers. Okay, but this is the full app. So if we go to, so we go to the leads, right? Sales. Leads view, yeah, this one. You have here, somewhere here. Components. Wait a minute. These controls will show across all instances of this view. This is the view. You see? Now I can add a control. So I need to add a control. Get more components. Oh my God. Built by Microsoft. Kanban. Let's check. Kanban. Yeah, there we go. Easy. We got it. Well, I have no idea what this will do. Let's see. Kanban. I'm afraid. Wait. So we found it. But why is this here? Yeah, now it's gone again. God damn it. Okay. App designer. We are in the Canvas app. If I found this, if I can add the Kanban board, I'm done for today. But I need to do this. So here we have show chart. Look, if you go to the app itself, right? So here you have show chart. You can see this focused view and so on. Read-only grid is next to this one. So why is it not here? So that means what it would mean to me is that read-only grids and focused view are two different controls. Because this is what it says, right? Wait, so if we go back to the explanation. So it says, blah, 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 blah. Under components, expand entities, select opportunity or activity, go to the controls, add tab, and select add control. So that's what I did right here. So I went, look, wait, I went to leads, right? Leads view, here we go. Then here, now I lost it again. Fuck. No, I added the leads view. I added the leads view, and then I go to the components, and then I can add a component, and adding a component means adding a control, right? Makes sense, right? Makes a lot of sense. And then I get more components, blah, blah, blah. But I would imagine that I would see here somewhere I would see here the read-only grid. Wait, didn't I see that here? editable grid, and calendar. No, I can add this. But there are no components here, so where are they? Right? Right. This is all table columns, related, whatever. I don't need that. This is a view. So do we add a component to a view or not? This is hard, man. And now I'm, oh, god damn it. It just throws me out if I quit this thing. So I cannot. But wait, so this also means that because a solution or an app is built out of several views and whatnot. So if I go to, let's close all of the other stuff again because it's getting too complicated. So I can go to advanced settings, yeah. I can go to the solution, yeah. I can go to my customization, yeah. And here, so here for a lead, so where I was before, I was in the view, and I was in the my open leads, whatever, I can pick this one. I can edit this view, then I'm back at the same place where I was before, you see? And here I can add the components again. In this view, let's do it. Fuck off. Okay, because I'm in my customization anyway, so whatever I do here is customized anyway. So Kanban, edit, add, show component web, mobile, tablet, for sure, do it, whatever. Subgrid. Why? Sure. I have no idea what I just did. Don't ask me what I did. So it's here. Edit. I don't know. No. Save. Doesn't change anything. Okay. You know what? Save and publish. Once I change something as a customization, then I have to publish that shit. And then in my solution, I have to also publish all the customizations. Somehow I added a Kanban board to this view. And it's not on YouTube, huh? So now it will be. So there we go. Okay, so I can go back. I did something, whatever I did, I have no idea. So then I go back to my solution. No, I have to go here, sorry, and then publish all customizations. That's what you need to do. Because if you don't do that, it will not publish anything. Even if you publish this stuff, the specific thing before. So now crossing fingers that something will show up as a Kanban board, or that we can select between read-only grid and Kanban. Kids are having fun in Dock Nord when it's past 7. My doors are still open. So if you still feel like passing by while this stuff is trying to publish. Boom. We're still here. We're still here. And kids are playing out there. You cannot really see it. Right there. Outside, kids are playing around bikes. Being kids, I guess. People are passing by the door. You can see it right there. They have no idea that they are actually live. And this thing here in Power Automate is not publishing. It's already is publishing, but it's there we go. It's succeeded. So wait a minute. Let's go back. Let's go back. Here we go. Go back here. Go back there. Let's check chat if I can go home or not. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna go home anyway. Don't worry. So let's go to Leeds. Now I have read-only grids. Focused view, no, nothing has changed. So it should actually be here somewhere. Manage and share views. I don't see Kanban anywhere. No, this doesn't work. I have no idea what I did, but it definitely doesn't work. Oh wait, it was here, but doesn't really matter, I think. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, TikTok, wait, TikTok. Look at this. Look at this. Look what I have right here. It worked. It worked. We actually got it to work. We have a Kanban board. Oh my god. Okay. You know what? I'm happy. I'm okay with this. I'm okay. I'm okay with this kind of message, because at least we were able to add something like Kanban in this thing right here. So we made it. We made it, chat. We made it. We got it to work somehow by thinking like, how is this shit built up? It's nowhere on YouTube. It is nowhere in the documentation of Microsoft. Microsoft, your documentation is not correct. So adding a Kanban into the views of your entities is not how you put it in your into your documentation. It is not correct. Okay. So what I will do this again, right, with an activity or with an opportunity to show actually how it is done, and I can publish that video on YouTube. And then finally, there is an updated version of that, and I guess I will contact Microsoft that they need to update their documentation. So there we go. That's how we find out how to do this. Anyway, dear people on TikTok, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, thank you so much for watching. If I have missed your chat in any way, I'm sorry about that. I was really busy trying to fix whatever Microsoft is doing incorrectly in terms of documentation. Anyway, so we got it to work. We have a Kanban board almost in Dynamics 365. I'm happy with that. And I will make a video about that, so you will see that soon on YouTube. A better version than there is now. So yeah, thank you again for watching this here with me from our studio right here in Dock North. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice evening, have a nice weekend. And yeah, we will see each other very, very, very soon again, because we are recording a lot of podcast episodes these last couple of days. We are doing a lot of things here. So yeah, you will see us more and more. And if you have any questions about what we do, if you want to visit this cute little podcast studio, you're always welcome. As long as the doors are open, you are welcome to join us. My name is Stefan de Vreese. I'm the founder of Titanify. I'm now also the founder of BizSalon. I'm the co-founder of Podcast Company and a lot of other stuff. But I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to show all of this to you to help you understand how everything works around Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365. And I'm also happy to record a lot of podcasts, because this is my hobby. I love doing this. Thank you again. Have a nice evening. Have a nice weekend. And until the next time. Bye-bye.